So, was something I wanted to talk about today because we were bringing up Killjoy, right? We were bringing up Killjoy earlier, and I think that this is a good segue into the conversation because people were saying that Killjoy is going to be broken or like Killjoy is going to be crazy and stuff like that. So I was watching Ludwig the other day, right? This is a weird segue, I know. I was watching Ludwig. If you guys don't know him, he's a very large streamer. He was playing Pogostuck, whatever. Is Pogostuck 2, Pogostuck something. It looks like the most frustrating game in the world, okay? I'm going to look this up just to show you if you haven't seen this. It looks so unfun that it made me never want to play this game ever. Like, I have zero interest in ever playing this game. That's how frustrating it looked. It was right here. Was I watching this yesterday? He does so much stuff on his stream, dude, that it's hard to find. This one? This is it. This is not it. Okay, anyway. My point being, he was playing this Pogostuck game, dude. Looked like the least fun thing in the world. I don't know. It looks so frustrating. But like the entire time he was having this rant. He was having this rant where he was saying, the game just is what it is, dude. It just is what it is. And I just need to accept it. I keep trying to go faster. I keep trying to make up for my mistakes, but that's not what the game is, dude. The game punishes you for trying to make up for your mistakes. You need to accept your mistakes and you need to climb from the bottom. That's what you need to do. Thank you for the subscription there, Z-Tips. I gotta put you on the board, dude. And this just got me thinking, right? That's what Valorant is, dude. Killjoy's coming out soon. The operator is busted. Like, Sage is too strong. And everyone's just like, dude, the operator is busted. Killjoy's going to be busted. And Sage is too strong. And they keep saying these things, right? And like, these things, although true, these things are true and they do matter. They don't actually help you win at the game at all, right? Like, if you just complain about how these things are within the game and you just kind of like accept it as like a fact, well, the operator's busted, Killjoy's going to be broken when he's released, it's not going to help you at all, right? So what the mentality that you need to have, and the mentality that Ludwig had as he was playing this Pogostuck game that I caught onto, is just basically like, it is what it is. I can't change that. It doesn't matter if it's a bad mechanic. It doesn't matter if it's broken. It doesn't matter what the case is. My only goal right now is to work around this mechanic. My only goal when I'm playing this game is to think, okay, this is a thing that exists. How do I beat it? How do I come around? How do I overcome this, right? And that's what I kind of caught on to with Valorant, where I was just like, this is why I don't get frustrated with the op. A lot of people ask me, like, oh, do you think the operator's busted? Do you believe Hiko when he says this thing? I'm trying to fix my hair, dude. My hair bothers me. I gotta use my product. But like, no, they're like, do you believe Hiko, or do you agree with Hiko that the op is busted and stuff like that? Yeah, it probably is. I'm not gonna argue with Hiko. I don't have, like, I'm not gonna debate with Hiko on it. He has way more experience in these sorts of things. He has way more understanding of the game and stuff. If Hiko says the op is busted, I'm gonna believe Hiko when he says the op is busted. That's not something I'm gonna argue with. What I'm saying is, for these players who are saying that the op is busted, that doesn't help you win. Like, acknowledging that the op is busted doesn't make you any better versus it. What you could do instead is think, okay, it's too strong. How do I beat this? How do I overcome this? And that's what my whole operator video was, the last one that I published. If you haven't seen that yet, I would reference you back to it. It's fine, just be better. Pretty much that's literally how you have to think. The op is fine, just be better. Even if it's not fine. You know, just, okay, well, what can I do about it, right? Well, you could smoke it. That's the one thing you can do. Maybe you can flashbang it. Maybe you have to use more utility than you want to deal with this operator. Maybe that's just what you have to do, right? But complaining about it's not going to help you. That's not going to help you at all, right? So that's just like, I don't know. I was just sitting there and he was complaining about Pogostuck, and I was like, dude, this is freaking Valorant. Like, this is literally Valorant. And the people who complain about the game, it's just, they get so freaking worked up over, there are things that just have no control over. If you have no control over it, just roll with it. You just got to learn to overcome it. Do you guys like agree with that? Do you understand what I'm saying there though? Like, it literally does not matter if it is busted. It doesn't, for us. I mean, like, obviously they're okay things to talk about. We can talk about these things. It's completely okay to talk about them and like to discuss how to fix them. But these are things that you handle like outside of the game. You discuss, oh yes, so the operator might be too strong within this game. You don't talk about it during the game. Dude, the operator's busted. We can't counter this. Like, this is just not a discussion that you have in the middle of a game.